So first we're going to put baking soda on top of the stain. Oops, sorry. And we're going to make sure that it's all broken down and it goes into the carpet. Okay. And that's going to remove some of the moisture in the carpet. Let me put a little bit more. Now I'm mixing half a cup of hydroperoxide with a teaspoon of Dawn, and we're going to pour this over the stain. Okay, here goes nothing. All right, I'm going to scrub this, make sure that it goes all in there. Sorry about all the movement. I should get a tripod to do this. Okay, so I'm just going to continue to do this for a few minutes and let it sit, and we'll see what happens.